In the last video we looked at risk assessment. In this video we're going to look at water treatment. The objectives of spa pool treatment are the same as swimming pools in general, and they are set out on the slide. The major differences arise from the higher temperature in spa pools, the higher bather load, and the smaller volume of water in circulation in the system. And if anyone's not sure what's meant by bright water, here's a good example. Disinfectants must be based on chlorine or bromine. Many hot tubs will incorporate ozone generators and even UV lamps, but these methods will not provide any residual disinfectant in the water. During the course of our pilot study, we came across one hot tub where the operators were using hydrogen peroxide borrowed from the fish farm where one of the couple worked. Hydrogen peroxide does not have a strong oxidizing effect and is not suitable for hot tub applications. The Pool Water Treatment Advisory Group, POOTAG, have confirmed this. The usual range of swimming pool disinfectants are applicable to spa pools. Each has their advantages and disadvantages, including the effect on pH. Typically, hot tub users will use solid chemical agents for ease of handling and dosing, and larger leisure complexes will use either sodium or calcium hypochlorite. pH control is critical to effective disinfection. This curve is taken from the HPA guidance and shows the effect of pH on the availability of the hypochlorous and hyperbromous ions in the pool water. The ideal range for pH in spa pools is between 7.2 and 7.6, with an acceptable range of 7 to 7.8. Outside that acceptable range, the pool should be taken out of use until the pH can be corrected. Because of the higher temperatures, bather loads, and smaller circulating volumes of water in spa pools, the recommended disinfectant ranges are higher than for conventional swimming pools. Free chlorine should be maintained between 3 and 5 milligrams per litre, and bromine between 4 and 6 milligrams per litre. Below these minima, the pool should be taken out of use until corrected. Higher levels of disinfectant can cause problems with bleaching of swimming costumes and dyed hair, and high levels of bromine can be irritant. Combined chlorine should not exceed 1/3 of the total chlorine and ideally be nil. In commercial spa pools, the HPA guidance states that disinfection should be automatically controlled. This means more than simply continuously dosed, and this slide shows an example from a leisure centre with a built-in spa pool. Note the use of an eroder filled with bromine tablets, or pucks, and the dosing control unit, which also controls the pH of the pool. The minimum standard for a hot tub in a holiday let or other single-use setting is an inline chemical feeder. This is the chemical feeder that was retrofitted to the hot tub previously being treated with hydrogen peroxide. It cost the owners about £400 to purchase, and they installed it themselves. Using bromine tablets, they are now achieving good control of disinfection. They were initially reluctant to change, but are pleased with the results. This is that hot tub in action. A couple of things to note. The tub is hand-built in cedar wood and not a precast plastic shell. These units are becoming increasingly popular. And there is some foaming on the water surface, which needs to be treated with a defoamer to knock it down. Another suitable method for providing an inline chemical feed to a hot tub is the Spa Frog system. This is a proprietary system which uses mineral and bromine granules in plastic canisters which fit into a plumbed-in feeder chamber in the hot tub surround. Spa Frog systems are commonly found in holiday complexes and forest holiday sites which buy hot tubs built by a company in North Yorkshire. Spa Frog systems are easy to maintain and check on a daily basis, and the dose can be adjusted by increasing or decreasing the area of the canister exposed to the water. In our next video, we will look at the guidance that's available for operators and for regulators.